Give us your general opinion on this virtual court sittings and help us understand a bit of the legal backing that the courts have to do this.
Okay, I feel that if we don't go this route, I think we'll be stuck really, really back in time, because that is exactly what the world is veering towards now. I learned that the Supreme Court of the United States actually delivered a judgment. Supreme Court delivered a judgment using virtual sittings in recent times because of the precariousness of the situations that we find ourselves now in. In Nigeria, if we do not, of course, we'll be stuck in time. Technology is just the way to go, not just in the court system. It is a given. Okay. We must ensure that in everything we do, we incorporate technology. And these virtual court sittings to have come to rescue us from the malaise that would have beplagued us if it is not incorporated. And what I mean by that is the fact that if there are no court sittings, the society will descend into chaos.
Yeah.
It is a given. The society will descend into chaos. So anyhow we can have court sittings without also causing a public health crisis, I think is welcome. There is really no limitation as to the kind of cases that can be handled by virtual court, except for cases that, of course, can always wait. Okay. So once it is imminent, once it is something that needs immediate judicial intervention, then the virtual courts will come in. I think that people who feel that their rights have been infringed upon, which is something that must happen in the absence or the pause, or when the courts are in limbo.
Yes.
These things must happen. The executive arm of government, through its agencies, will definitely take laws into their hands. Those kind of people can, of course, ignite provisions of Section 46 of the Constitution, which says that anybody who thinks that his right has been, is being, or is likely to be infringed upon should approach the High Court in his vicinity. There will be challenges too as to interpretation of such provisions and the myriad other provisions of the Constitution which allow people to approach the courts